Hi there, Stephanie. It's Austin here from Team Swerve. I just wanted to show you through our second prototype here, and this is what we've been asked to deliver for over the past couple of weeks. And a lot of what we had to do was manage the user accounts, create some of the admin tools, and also allow for that first assessment of one of our users. So, just starting off, I'm pre-logged in actually right now as an admin. I just wanted to show you what the calendar looks like. So. Here is, as you'd requested, you're able to book off or block your time off here, and you can change for how long you want that time to be. So right here, you can even choose to block the whole day. You can choose a start time if you want it to be a little bit earlier, and then you can save that booking. And then what that'll do is that'll show up here in your calendar, and then it'll also not allow someone else to then book time during that slot. I think it was suggested that you'll do this monthly. Then there's also there's different views, so you can see more broadly of what your schedule will be looking like, and in the future, hopefully, all of the other appointments will then show up on here. So I'll just log out of the admin account, and I'll show you what going through one of the new user accounts looks like. Now, I'm going to have to apologize in advance for some of the load times. We're actually at the capacity of the cloud services that we're using right now. We're at full memory. So if I go to create a new account here, it prompts me to do one here if I don't have one. Otherwise, I can just simply log in. So here I'll just create a new account. Let's call this Austin Baggio at me.com. Make the password something simple. And we'll log in. So now the first thing it'll prompt me to do will be to enter my credentials, and since we're again using the Google Forms, which has autofills, it's super fast, and it really helps the user experience in order to get those uploaded quite quickly by just simply autofilling these for us, and then we can save it, submit it, and here up there you'll notice that it says that it's been successfully updated. So now if I could show you one of our other features, this is basically, as someone who is logged in, you'll be then greeted by your user profile form. Now, this is going to be a standard form that everyone is going to see as a logged in user, and this is where you'd be able to start your process of registering for new injuries or any treatments of the sort, and it has all the profile information for the admins to then go and pull from. Again, I apologize about the load times. This is not what the production application will look or feel like. So, sorry if you just bear with me. I'm just going to navigate to it manually. Oh, that was going to the wrong one. Okay, so here's where a lot of the information about the particular patient will show up. These are some just predefined tabs with features that we haven't built out yet. If we go to the photos, actually, this will be, I just uploaded these two photos as part of an example of what it might look like. And one of the things that you'd requested was the ability to split the users apart so that you can see the proportions. So this plugin called Crosshair does that for you. This is kind of a little bit outside of the scope, and we'd actually built a custom one that saves the image, but we understand that you just want it for your own personal reference, so this plugin does more than enough of that. Going into the assessment, so let's say that this user wanted to describe one of their new injuries for us. This is just a simple form where they could do so. So this is just a template, right? This is only the beginning of what we could ask, and they could submit anything in here. So leg pain, And this would then be up to you for what you'd want them to fill out and disclose at this point. So that's a lot of the work that we've been tasked to do and deliver for you this time around, and we'd love to get any of your feedback. Again, this is just a prototype. This is not what the final design is going to look like. We just wanted to keep you updated. So you can get back to us at any point. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Take care.